The CLI team wanted to have a welcome banner for the experience. I've never made ASCII art before. I've never tried to animate anything. I've never done anything for a CLI before. But I was like, I bet I could figure this out with Copilot's help. I went to Copilot and said, build me a web app that lets me input text files and then play them back as animation. And within a half an hour, I had an MVP of that basic idea. Then I sat down with Copilot and started planning out an actual web app. I built this tool that I'm calling ASCII Motion that is exactly the tool that I wanted to exist, and now it exists. You can draw directly onto a canvas with just letters and numbers. We can apply gradients. You can use ASCII typings. Down here, I've got an animation timeline. These are individual frames that I can set the duration of and control playback. Taste and art takes a lifetime to develop. Technical skills are a whole other lifetime to develop. Copilot gives you access to those technical skills in a way that superpowers the creative skills. I'm Cameron Foxley. I'm a brand designer at GitHub, and now I'm an open source maintainer.